Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Urmi World. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction to Google Colab. So let's get started. To have a Google Colab or to work with the Google Colab, first you need is your Gmail account here. If you haven't any Gmail account, then please create your Gmail account and then start here. Once you have your Gmail account, go and search to this Google Colab and you will get this first link which is on Google Research. Welcome to Collaboratory. Click on this link. This link will take you to this page where first you will have this kind of a prompt that you can insert and your notebook from Google Drive or GitHub, or you can upload if you have within your device, or you can start here with creating a new notebook. So here I'm writing a new notebook. Just click on new notebook and this will take you to this editor page. If you have worked with a Jupyter Notebook or a Spyder Notebook, then this particular editor is quite similar to that. So here, let's start writing something. I would like to write here let's say, welcome to Ormisha Video World. And then run this cell. You can quickly work with your Python code or any of the machine learning or data analysis here. So this is how a very quick and easy way without bothering or taking something head on of I have to install this Anaconda, then I want need to install some Jupyter notebook or a Spyder notebook, whichever you will work on. So you need to install that, and even after that you need to think of like, okay, I want to work on this particular package, then I need to install, I need to upgrade that particular if I've already installed that package, then all those things that it's always been in your head when you work with those apps. So here in Google Colab, those things you don't need to think about because Google itself take cares of all these things. It helps you in installing all those updated without anything you have to manage here. Here you simply have to just go and add here. Let's say import pandas. I want to work on this pandas. So just run this cell and you will have your packages imported without even going through installation and all those. So this is how Google Colab is a very easy and convenient way for those who are the beginners. So now I also want to show you how you can add your data file. You must be wondering, there you have to set the library and you have to pass the path and all that, but as you are working in a completely on the cloud side, how you can work here? So for that, there is a folder. In this folder icon, there you will see an upload option. So just click on this upload. Once you upload, let's say I want to upload this climate data. So open, and this says that this uploaded file will be deleted when this runtime is recycled, which means this is everything on session based. If the sessions get expired, your data will not be appeared here. Yeah, your code will be there because you have wrote all this, but if you want to have that data, then data will not remain here. So for every time whenever you open this file, you need to import that data. So this is one of the drawback, but the most important part here is that the packages and all that you don't need to take care of all this. So that is one plus. And the second is this is completely on the cloud side, so on the device you will save a lot of space. And the third important thing is, which is I feel that it is efficient, that you can share, you can directly link your GitHub and other stuffs without working or thinking of what you will do in the Jupyter and all that. So there is a lot of steps that you need to follow because that is within your PC, within your device. You need to install this is completely on the cloud side. So that is on the cloud level, that how you want to do it and all that. So this is how. So just click on OK. You will have your climate data out here, And in this three dots here, as you can see, just click over there. You can download that file, you can rename it, you can delete that file, even get the copy of this, and you can refresh as well. So this is how you can simply start and get along with this Google Colab. As you can see, there are a lot of links that you can also mount the drive. Currently, you if you want to hide your files as well, so many things you can do here. You have this option to save this file. You can download it, all those. If you see, all the options are similar to what we do here in Jupyter Notebook, and same in the Google Colab. So I would highly recommend those who are the beginners and want to learn the Python codes, and want to share with the codes and all. If you are directly learning something on an platform where you have to share your share whatever you are working here, you can share easily with the Google Colab. So that is some of the very few advantages over to the Jupyter and the Spyder notebook that everyone are using. But uh, down the part or down the side, whatever you can say, the best is in all of these is a Jupyter notebook. But still, for the beginners, I would highly recommend to go on the Google Colab, which is one of the best. So if you really like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for more such video, please hit on the bell icon. I would really appreciate if you support me and share all those videos and subscribe to my channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.